Let's continue the series of video tutorials. In this lesson, I'll show you how to create copies of objects and work with the translate, rotate, and scaling tools. We'll also create points and extract points from objects in the scene. To create copies of objects, first we'll activate the layer where we want to create these copies. Currently, this layer is active layer. To see which objects the layers contain, click here and take a look. So, the active layer is this one. Select the desired object. Open the context menu and copy it to the active layer. Verify this object and copy it to active layer as well. Further, to copy a layer into the same layer, can be carried out the same operations. That is, currently, this layer is active, and it contains this object. We can clone it right here. We've created a copy of this object in the same layer. Further, let's hide the first layer. Select this object and use the Translate tool. Click this button, and a gizmo appears. It is possible to move along specific axes, along x-axis, along y-axis, or along z-axis. Also can be moved on specific planes. Move on XY plane. Move on XZ plane. And on YZ plane. It is also possible to move arbitrarily. The diamond in the middle allows to move arbitrarily. While moving objects, you can specify a specific distance to move. Press and hold the Shift key. Start moving. And then release Shift. Now you can input a specific value. Let's say 6. We moved along the x-axis by 6 meters. Similarly, we move on the XY plane. Here we can set values as well. Let's type values -4 and 6. Or you can move arbitrarily. Hold Shift. Release the mouse. And we set values for X, Y, and Z. We move the object. So now disable the Move mode. Select this object and let's set it as a center of scene. To set the object as a scene center, we may use this button. Click it and select any point on the object. Now, this point becomes the center of the scene. Alternatively, you can double-click the mouse. The object is set the scene center.